The Vendor Central Purge is finally happening. My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy, and many Vendor Central accounts got this notice today and this week about the closure of their account pending November 9th, just right around the corner. Merry Christmas, Black Friday rush, hello and goodbye, Vendor Central accounts. Now, we don't know the scope or how many people are affected at this point, but it's pretty on point for what I predicted more than 2 years ago. And so I think we're going to see more and more Vendor Central collapses where they push more and more to 3P a la Seller Central. So what does this mean? How does this impact everybody? Well, first of all, for those that were selling first party or Vendor Central, they have to scramble to get into a Seller Central account. And hopefully Amazon will do all their Christmas buys, and hopefully that's already even happened, and they have everything in stock at Amazon to get through the year. In reality, many of them probably just stopped buying and are getting hit with the notice, and they're going to have to rush over to Seller Central and open an account. Now, the good news is you can do this and you can succeed. The bad news is that you probably aren't prepared to do this. You probably don't have the right staffing, and you probably don't have the right resources. At My Amazon Guy, I have helped more than 40 brands transfer from vendor to Seller Central. A lot of the mistakes that are made is in seeing Seller Central as the same as Vendor Central, or making logistics mistakes, not understanding how FBA works, not understanding how the payments work, not understanding the customer service and return rate implications. And quite frankly, there's usually a lot of internal politics at these organizations that are going to be abysmal to get through. Often the times there's a stakeholder at these Vendor Central companies that does not care about Amazon and has other distribution things that they do care about over Amazon. So Amazon is the necessary evil, might even be as much as 50% of the gross sales at the company, but does not even get 10% of the resources at these sort of organizations. I thought Vendor and Seller Central would have merged by now, to be totally honest, and they may still. Most of the new features are coming to Seller Central. So there is good news for these Vendor Central sellers. You're now going to be able to control your price, which is kind of a big deal if you think about it. Your margins have been sucking anyway, and you haven't been able to get your price increases, or maybe if you have, it took 11 different appeals and whatnot. So price is kind of a big thing. The next thing is you're going to have the ability to get access to new brand analytics, reports, data, down to the keyword level. I call this the ICAP marketing funnel: impressions, clicks, add to carts, and purchases, ICAP. And the ICAP marketing funnel is pretty sweet. I've got a video that we'll link to at the end here. You want to click on that next. You have something to look forward to. But to summarize this news, it's just 2 years longer than I thought it would be, to be honest. I thought this would have come much, much sooner. We're going to see more and more accounts get purged. Wouldn't surprise me, even if you didn't get this notice, some of you might get it next week. Would not be surprised at all. Amazon is also embracing Chinese sellers quite a bit at the loss of the US market. They don't seem to care much at all. My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. Check out the ICAP marketing video next right here.